Hey, this is Craig with S&B Filters. Today we're doing an unboxing video on a part number 755039, which is for a Toyota Tundra. Let's get started. We got your huge air box here, and your air filter will be most likely packed inside there. We got a silicone box plug. So we always have two openings on the air box, the factory one and a secondary opening. So this is the plug for that. Another silicone seal to the fender for the inlet. Main hardware pack. This has all your hardware to mount the sensor, PCVs, CCV stuff in there. Big intake tube. You got your tube seal. So the tube goes through the airbox. Silicone seal. Got your clear lid. Right now it's not clear, but it will be once we take off the protective film. Your snap-in lid seal. And a coupler to go to the throttle body. All right, we just did the unboxing of the Tundra kit here. I'll just kind of go over a little bit on the components. So all of our couplers, tube seals, lid seal, box plugs, all those components are made out of silicone, so they last a lifetime. You don't ever have to worry about dry rotting or cracking. We got your lid. It's got a protective film on it. This is a clear lid. Big intake tube. Huge air filter, and an air box that takes up all the room that we can get in the engine bay. Thanks for watching, and check out our install video.